click on the Windows icon. Write Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. In Pause Updates, click here to show the options. Here you can choose a period of time to pause the updates. Choose the time you want, and this is a simple way to pause the updates. If you want, you can turn off the option to automatically receive some updates by disabling some options, and also go to Advanced Settings, and in Keep Me Updated, you can turn off the option to automatically restart the computer. However, you will have to restart manually. Also, pay attention to Active Time. Here you can customize the time when Windows will not restart. While it is not possible to completely deactivate Windows updates forever, you can choose to not receive updates for some time, and also to customize the time when Windows will restart. Remember to always keep your Windows updated. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.